It's been days of political war of words, and that continues with regard to the voter list controversy. Earlier today, remember, opposition MP staging another protest right outside the parliament. But there were some different highlights as well. For example, Priyanka Gandhi Vadra and some other Congress MPs wearing this Minta Devi t-shirt, referring to one voter in Bihar who appeared to be 124 years of age. Controversy erupted also after Congress shared a voter theft campaign video showing actor KK Menon, who refuted that he's not even a part of this campaign willingly. So here's a detailed report of what is the EC versus India bloc and opposition united strength looking like.
The opposition is refusing to bow down on the issue of vote theft. India bloc MPs once again staged dharna outside Parliament wearing Minta Devi t-shirts.
After attempting to carry out a protest march from Parliament's Makar Dwar to Election Commission of India, today, once again, the entire India bloc is protesting right in front of Makar Dwar. You can clearly see that today, once again, on the issue of SIR, the protest is taking place where the opposition MPs are again raising slogans like "Vote Chori Band Karo," "Our vote, our right, our fight," and once again, we are seeing a similar sort of protest taking place. Leaders like Priyanka Gandhi, and also from other political parties are present here.
While targeting the Election Commission of India, the opposition alleged that Minta Devi was a woman being presented as a first-time voter, even though her age on the list was 124 years.
हम कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन की रक्षा कर रहे हैं. वन मैन वन वोट कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन का फाउंडेशन है और इलेक्शन कमीशन की ड्यूटी है कि वो वन मैन वन वोट इन्फोर्स करें, और उन्होंने नहीं किया. उन्होंने अपनी ड्यूटी नहीं की. तो हम सिर्फ कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन को प्रोटेक्ट कर रहे हैं, उसकी रक्षा कर रहे हैं, संविधान की रक्षा कर रहे हैं.
हम लोगों ने लगातार प्रश्न उठाया, सदन के अंदर भी उठाया, सदन के बाहर भी उठाया. कल भी जब हम चुनाव आयोग जब जा रहे थे, आपने देखा हमें डिटेन कर लिया गया. क्या, और जब हम चुनाव आयोग से प्रश्न करते हैं, जवाब भारतीय जनता पार्टी देती है. ये निश्चित रूप से ये सरकार के द्वारा यह संवैधानिक आयोग नहीं है, न निष्पक्ष है, न स्वतंत्र है. ये मोदी जी के डायरेक्शन में सारी चीजें हो रही है.
However, India Today spoke to Minta Devi, who was a resident of Siwan district in Bihar. It has been revealed that she's just 35 years old and not 124.
25 साल हो गए. ओरिजिनल तो है 15/7/1990. हम कभी भी अभी मतदान पे नहीं गए हैं, ना किए हैं. वोटर आईडी में मेरा उम्र ज्यादा बताया जा रहा है.
The BJP lambasted the opposition and stated that the voter list was being revised precisely to rectify such errors.
मोदी जी का विरोध करते करते आपका दिमाग जो है ना तेल लेने चला गया है. आपको खुद नहीं समझ में आ रहा है कि जो आप कह रहे हो वही तो SIR कर रही है, चुनाव आयोग कर रही है SIR के मार्फत. आज 124 का लेकर के घूम रहे हैं. 124 का टी-शर्ट क्या है तो पता चला 124 साल के लोगों का वोट बनाओ. अरे भाई, वही तो काटना है जो नहीं है संसार में. यही तो SIR है.
Meanwhile, in a big boost to the Election Commission, the Supreme Court observed that the poll body was correct to not accept Aadhaar card as a proof of citizenship while conducting the special intensive revision of voter list in Bihar. The poll body also called out the opposition parties in Bihar for not filing any objection to the revised voter list, despite it being available for over 12 days. Even Bollywood star KK Menon was dragged into the vote chori controversy.
रुको यार, ट्रोल करना बंद करो. अगर आप ये रील देख रहे हो ना, इसका मतलब क्या?
वोट चोरी के खिलाफ कैंपेन में पार्टिसिपेट नहीं कर रहे हो? अरे अभी जाओ.
In a video released by the Congress, KK Menon was shown as part of the vote chori campaign. But the actor was quick to clear the air and assert that the video was edited from his recent social media post and that the Congress did not take his consent to use it. With just weeks to go for elections in Bihar, the vote chori controversy shows no signs of dying away. With Piyush Mishra in Delhi, Bureau Report, India Today.